Let's take a walk together in the ocean shore. Hey, now. Let's cherish every moment we haven't seen back. I often pray before I lay down by your side. If you receive a calling before I wake, couldn't make it through the night. Cherish the love we should just. Hello guys, ngayon pag-aaralan natin kung paano gitarahin yung Cherish by Cools and Dagang. Dapat may kapo kayo guys dito sa first fret at naka-standard tuning dapat yung inyong gagamitin gitara. Okay, shoutout nga pala kay Mami Joanne. Yung mga hindi natin na shoutout nung last na video natin, sina Jessie Japus. Sino pa ba? Yung mga pumupunta sa ating mga premieres, sina iCharles Vlog. Yan, si Annalyn Journey. At yung mga hindi ko nabanggit guys ay next video na lang. Okay, simulan na natin sa kanyang intro guys. Ang chords ng kanyang intro ay ito lang. Pag simpleng chords lang, mamaya ituro natin kung paano yung plucking niya. Okay, ang chords noon A minor, then F major 7. Yung F major 7 guys magkakasunod. Second string, third string, fourth string, yan magkakasunod din na fret. Tapos D minor, then F, G. Okay, ganito. F, G. Yun. Pag dito sa F na guys at G, tigi-isang strum na lang bago pumasok sa verse. Okay, ngayon ituro naman natin yung plucking niya. Okay, A minor position ka lang. Tapos yan. Kita nyo ba yung aking point finger? Yan. Then alisin mo yan. Point finger. Tapos balik mo. Yun, second string yung aking kinakalabit dyan guys ha. Second string, alternate na third string. Yun. Second at third string yung salitan na aking kinakalabit dyan. Okay? Idamay nyo rin yung fifth string, yung bass nya sa unang kalabit. Next, F major 7. Okay, yung inaalis nyo naman dyan guys ay yung inyong gitnang daliri. Yan, tapos binabalik nyo. Okay, gets nyo naman siguro. Tapos yung ka-alternate naman niya ay yung fourth string. Third at fourth string yung mag-alternate dyan. Then, fourth string. Dalhin mo sa second fret. Patungong D minor. Yan. Okay, ulitin natin. Mula A minor. Pwede namang istramin nyo sa una guys. Tapos gawin nyo yung ganito. D minor. Yun. Ang aking inaalis tapos binabalik naman dyan guys ay yung point and finger ulit dun sa first string, sa first fret. Ka-alternate niya yung second string. Then F, isang strum, G, isang strum din. Okay, buuin natin. G. Okay, dun sa verse niya guys, ganito. Let's take a walk together near the ocean shore, hand in hand, you and I. Let's cherish every moment we have given, for the times passing by. Ganun lang yung ano niya guys, yung verse niya, A minor, tapos F major 7 lang. Yan, bali 2 times yun, 2 times. Let's take a walk together. Strumming niya ay down, down, up. Yung mabilis lang. Down, up, down, up, down. Ganun. Ganun. Let's take a walk together. Okay, bagalan natin. Let's take a walk together near the ocean shore, hand in hand, you and I. Yun, tapos A minor ulit. We cherish every moment we haven't given, for the time passing by. Okay, dali lang diba? Tapos pre-chorus, refrain, D minor. Okay, sabihin muna natin yung mga chords niya kasi napakadali na lang yung dito sa part na kantahan na lang sa verse, tapos sa mga kanya dali lang yung mga chords niya guys. D minor, then E minor, F major 7 at G. Ganun lang yung mga chords niya. I often pray before I lay down by your side. F major 7. If you receive a calling before I wake, couldn't make it. Then G through the night. Okay, 4 lang, di ba? Tapos yung chorus niya, ito. Cherish the love we had. We should cherish the love we live. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Yan, C. Then D minor, G, tapos balik sa C, tapos E. O ha, di ba? Ang dali lang. Cherish the love we had. We should cherish the love we live. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Tapos diretso second verse dun guys. The world is always changing, nothing's still the same. It's because of time. The next life do we see? Will you be by my side? Ganun ba yun? Ganun yung lyrics niya? So, hindi kasi natin masyadong kabisado. Tapos refrain ulit. Same lyric, same chords. I often pray before I lay down by your side. If you receive a calling, run away. Couldn't make it through the night. Cherish the love we had. We should cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Tapos ulitin mo ulit yun guys. Merong na ibang lyrics doon pero same lang yung mga chords niya at same melody dun sa kanyang chorus. Cherish the love we want. Ay, for as long as we both shall live. Yun yung ibang lyrics niya.
Cherish the love, cherish the love, cherish the love.
Then ang next na part na dun guys ay meron siyang interlude. Gayahin nyo lang yung intro kanina. Then chorus ulit.
Cherish the love we have, we should cherish the love, shall we? Cherish the love, cherish the love, cherish the love.
Yan, basta paulit-ulit lang yun guys ha, yung kanyang chorus na dun. Alam nyo naman siguro pag alam nyo yung song na yun, paulit-ulit na lang yun. Napakadaling kabisaduhin ng lyrics niya guys. Okay, yun lang guys, salamat. Bye!